Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dream Speak English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Hi, Sarah. Hi, everyone. Today, we have a very useful topic for beginners, learning English at the restaurant.
That's right, Jack. Going to a restaurant is a common experience, and it's a great way to practice English. Today, we will practice real conversations you can use when you order food, ask questions, and talk to the waiter.
Exactly. We will use simple words and short sentences. We will explain new words and give you examples. Don't worry if you're just starting out.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to Dream Speak English. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And we love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us about your favorite food. What do you like to eat at a restaurant?
Okay, Jack, let's start with the simple conversation between a customer and a waiter.
Sounds good.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I would like to see the menu.
Here's the menu. What would you like to eat?
I would like a cheeseburger and fries.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like a cola, please.
Okay, do you want anything else?
No, thank you.
Great. I will bring your order soon.
Thank you.
Let's practice this conversation again. This time, I will be the customer and you can be the waiter.
Okay.
Hello, can you help me?
Of course. Here is the menu.
I would like a chicken sandwich and a salad.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, I would like water, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Great job! For everyone listening, try to practice these conversations with a friend or by yourself. It will help you feel more confident when you go to a restaurant.
Now, let's learn some useful words and phrases you can use at a restaurant.
First, "Can I help you?" is a polite way for waiters to offer help.
Next, I would like is a polite way to order food or drinks.
Then, "Would you like something to drink?" is a common question.
Also, here is the menu means the waiter gives you the list of food.
And "Your order will be ready soon" means the food will come quickly.
Let's practice these phrases in a short dialogue.
Can I help you?
I would like a pizza.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like orange juice.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk about how to ask questions at a restaurant.
You can ask, what do you recommend to ask for suggestions?
Or, is this dish spicy? If you want to know about the food.
You can also ask, can I have the bill please when you want to pay?
Let's practice a conversation with questions.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the grilled chicken. It's very popular.
Is this dish spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
Can I have the bill please?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you.
For everyone listening, try to use these questions when you go to a restaurant. It will help you practice English and enjoy your meal.
Now, let's learn some polite expressions you can use.
Words like please, thank you, and excuse me are very important.
They make your conversation polite and friendly.
Let's practice a short dialogue with polite expressions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sarah, eating out is fun, but sometimes it can be confusing if you don't know the right words. We'll help you with that.
Let's start with a situation where you want to ask about the menu. Sometimes you don't understand the food names or ingredients.
Good point. You can ask, what is this dish? Or what ingredients are in this?
Let's practice a conversation where you ask about the menu.
Excuse me, what is this dish?
This is grilled chicken with vegetables.
What ingredients are in the salad?
The salad has lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers.
Thank you. That sounds delicious.
You're welcome. For everyone listening, try to ask questions about the menu when you go to a restaurant. It will help you learn new words and enjoy your meal.
Now, let's talk about ordering food for special diets or preferences.
Yes, sometimes people have allergies or don't eat certain foods. You can say, I'm allergic to nuts or I don't eat meat.
Or you can ask, is this dish vegetarian? Or can you make it without cheese?
Let's practice a conversation about special requests.
I'm allergic to nuts. Does this dish have nuts?
No, it doesn't have nuts.
Is this dish vegetarian?
Yes, it is.
Can you make it without cheese?
Sure, we can do that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Talking about your preferences helps you enjoy your meal and stay healthy.
Now let's practice paying the bill. When you finish eating, you can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Could I pay by card?"
The waiter might say, "Here is your bill," or "We accept credit cards and cash."
Let's practice a conversation about paying.
Can I have the bill, please?
Here is your bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept credit cards.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Great! Now let's learn some polite expressions you can use at the restaurant.
Words like please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry are very important. They make your conversation polite and friendly.
Let's practice a short dialogue with polite expressions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. Please, take a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's finish our lesson with some more useful English phrases and a few tips to help you feel confident when you visit a restaurant.
That's right, Sarah. We'll talk about how to handle special situations, like making a complaint politely or asking for recommendations.
Exactly. Sometimes things don't go as planned at a restaurant. Maybe your food is cold or you ordered the wrong dish. It's important to know how to speak politely and clearly. If you want to make a complaint, you can say, "Excuse me, but my food is cold." Or, "I think there is a mistake with my order."
Let's practice a polite complaint conversation.
Excuse me, but my soup is cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. I will bring you a hot soup right away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See, being polite helps solve problems quickly. Now let's talk about asking for recommendations. You can say, "What do you recommend?" Or, "What is the most popular dish?"
The waiter might say, I recommend the grilled chicken, or our special today is the pasta.
Let's practice a conversation asking for recommendations. What do you recommend?
I recommend the grilled chicken. It's very popular.
Thank you. I will try that.
Great choice.
For everyone listening, asking for recommendations is a great way to learn new words and enjoy your meal.
Before we finish, here are some final tips to help you speak English naturally at the restaurant.
Practice listening to English conversations in restaurants or watch videos.
Try to use the phrases we learned today when you go out to eat.
Don't be afraid to ask questions or make mistakes. It's part of learning.
Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
Don't forget to subscribe to Dream Speak English for more helpful lessons.
Like this video if you found it useful and share it with your friends.
We'll see you next time. Keep practicing and enjoy your English journey.
Bye, everyone.